Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and replace the windshield washer reservoir on a Fiat 500. We have the video how to remove the bumper on our channel. You need to remove it in order to access it. And now right here, that's the pump, so you need to just pull it up. It pulls up and in an angle comes out, and it comes out of the reservoir. You need to pull the hoses out of the grooves, and now with a 10mm socket there is one bolt that we'll need to remove right there. Okay, it's pretty easy to access, but don't drop it there. Okay, now right here it's connected to that hose, so you need to just pull it on the side and it comes off the hose. And now there is one more bolt right there that we need to remove, again with a 10mm socket, and we're using that Makita power ratchet. Pretty good stuff. We have a review on our channel, guys, feel free to check it out. Okay, and this is how you remove and replace the windshield reservoir on the Fiat, because this one is cracked, as you can see here. We're going to actually fix it, so you can watch the video on our channel how to fix cracked windshield reservoir. Thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.